check-in natin?
Alas 2 pa doon.
So lunch talaga muna tayo na.
Hindi, nakatagaytay si Ro.
Ay,
Tama naman ka.
At Lemery, Batangas yung check mo yung yung inano mo.
Ito.
Kasi alam ko ito. Check mo yung binok mo. Dito mo sa binok mo.
Dito na kami ngayon sa...
Ito tama
Kita-kita na kami.
Parang gusto ko mag-lobby.
Isuportahan niyo yung vlog ko. Vlog ko yung ating core memory. Ang gala.
Parang
Lomi.
tama naman to, James. Laurel, Canyon Wilfred Road.
Laurel, Batangas.
Ito,
Metro Tagaytay, Philippines.
Yan.
Yun. Yun, DJ.
Parang ito na.
Di ba malapit naman sa dagat?
Walang dagat, gagi.
Wala pang dagat.
Lagi walang dagat dyan.
Twin Lakes, malapit sa Twin Lakes, tsaka Splendido.
Oo.
Feel ko ito yan.
Ano itsura nung ano? Ano itsura nung pag ginugal? Yung itsura nung lugar?
Ano? Google mo.
Ha?
Google mo.
Wala kang data.
Bakit?
Nabudya ko
Ang hirap pa naman.
Oo. Hindi ako nakapag...
90 pesos
Kala ko
lang
pa sa akin. Hindi, ngayon lang nawala pag bago ko umalis.
Di ba di nakapag-chat ka pa?
Oo, walang picture.
Gets.
Dagat. Hindi, yan. Saging ko na itlog mo ron.
Ikaw lang.
Retro pala yung Jollibee.
Dad,
Pero
You know what?
may mas dur...
Dad, you know what's ice
Sa dulo?
spears?
Ah ba?
You may think it's
Oo.
just
Pero walang sign, no?
little
Baka yung
blue
next
sharp
pa?
Baka sa next pa.
but it's
Sige, na-mix na lang
actually
tayo.
Not sure.
spears.
Yup.
You see, it's just so fast that it looks like it's spikes. One piece. If you don't believe me, this is one piece.
One fish?
One piece.
One fish?
One
piece.
I said one piece.
Fish?
Piece.
May accent siya, no? Ang kulit.
One piece.
Okay, fish.
So, look, a ghost fruit.
A ghost fruit?
So it's about fishes.
Tito mo.
Panalo ba to nung nakaraan?
Oo.
May ano lang naman siya. May ano. Free.
Oo. Magre-route
May piyesta sa Laurel.
Fiesta Gaming. Hindi ko nadala yung white wine, sayang.
yung?
So I
May,
just
may white
cramped
wine ako
into-
sa bahay.
I
Binigay.
just cramped into the middle of my dad. And
At yung jumbo niyo po, special din siya. Pang good for ilan yung jumbo? Yung Lomi Jumbo, good for 3 to 4.
I another restaurant.
Dalawa siguro ma. Ay, or.
Take out na natin. Take out na natin.
Ako tayo.
Pwede no? Take out yung isa. Dalawang jumbo. Ay, dining. Dining.
Sino?
Or something. Ano pa ba? How are you, Ezra? Just be careful. Okay.
So long.
What?
I might know where I am.
It's okay.
I just think what to do with that about
That's us here. Let's go, let's go up. But later we will prank them, okay? Huh? What are you doing? Oh.
Oh la la. So there's part 3 of the mysterious restaurant.
Mysterious restaurants. It's Alomi House.
Yeah. It's a weird restaurant.
Why?
Well, what?
Careful. Oh, later na natin.
Sabaw. Kasi thick talaga yung broth nito eh.
Hindi niya active yan. Baka may mga sila.
Q-R-S.
The chicken.
W-S. Y-N.
Ano to, time lapse?
Okay.
Okay, guys. So here's something weird. Something weird is in this restaurant. If you don't know, then here's the toilet. But there's actually a ruined cottage over there. See it? It's right just over there. It's right over there. That's pretty unusual. Wait, what's that? I think I see something. I think it's a way to the jungle. Oh wait, this is also Tito Matt's camera, so I'm gonna go down. What happened, Tito Matt?
Still recording. Okay.
So guys, here's part 2 of that weird thing in the forest, still at the restaurant, actually. So look, see that thing? That's the thing that there's a cottage. I'm gonna go down. Wait, they have a chicken? I'm definitely gonna go down. That's definitely a chicken. So, talking about that cottage, I think someone used to live there. Oh, here's Tito Matt.
I have a question. Wait.
They also have a chicken
You have a chicken? Where?
right over there.
Is this a place where we'll stay? No.
No,
Yeah.
chicken.
Sorry.
There's an old cottage right over there.
Yeah.
Can't you see, guys? It's right over there.
Wait.
Also,
How are you feeling?
I'm good.
Is it dazzler? What's
Ano
Is it dazzler? Dazzler? Dazzling?
What's your cool word? What's your cool word?
Oh, video!
Oh, dito. Baka ba? No.
Bakit mo sa room na?
Isang lotion. Sa likod na tayo naman.
Hi guys, here's part one of at the hotel.
Can you tour us through the hotel?
So if you so here's the hotel. Now I have a YouTube channel with Tito Matt. So here's what they have. Wait, do you hear that? I think it's coming from over here. It's getting further, but it's going.
You can hold the camera like this. Like that. Like that. Yeah, like that. Two hands.
Okay.
No, not like that. Like this. Like this. Oh. 6.
Magkatabi. Magkano dito din?
I press 6.
8K per room or dalawa na?
Dalawang sir.
6. And what?
Kaya pala.
What next?
What next?
6 and 10.
6 and 10 equals 16.
Of course.
Basic.
Basic math.
Basic math. Oh, 9 times 9.
I do not know.
I thought you know basic math.
That is not basic.
That's basic.
That's not.
It's 81.
Mm.
It's 81, you know.
It's over.
It's over.
Yung ano ko, yung pamahal ko isa. Ooh, fancy.
Ooh, fancy.
Ooh, we fancy. Ooh.
6. Our room is 6.
This is infinite corridor.
Where did you find that out? Infinite corridor.
Ooh, sabi, malapit na.
Kitten game. One time while I was playing kitten game, I discovered a new room, and it was a washing room. I went into the washing machine, but then I got teleported to the bathroom. They called it the creators made a new update, and the name of that bathrooms is Infinite Corridors.
What?
What's up, bro? Doon nga rin.
Because this literally just grew up.
Dito ka na sa amin, Ezra. Dito ka na sa amin. Hostage ka namin.
Fine, I'll stay with you
Good.
for a few minutes.
Nice.
Okay, this is fancy.
Dito ka na lang, Ezra.
Fancy.
Stay here.
Fancy.
So mo gusto? Bigger bed, smaller bed?
Ano yung pag-iba ka size?
Oo.
Dito sa kanto.
Bye!
Bye, Ezra.
See you later.
Where is this?
Hey, you! Hey, you!
This?
Look, Ezra, a black duck.
There's a
Look, it's a fat dog.
Pwede tayong bumaba, alam ko eh.
Oo, pwede naman. Oh, may sampay eh.
Paano siya siguro? Ito yung parang clubhouse nila.
Oo.
I wanna take the rope bridge.
Tapos meron silang personal na pool.
No time pa nga.
Ito yung ano, nakita ko parang nagtitig sa picture yun na punta.
Saan?
Uy, extra doon.
Baba tayo.
Dad, you go watch over me.
Nakutos pa nga.
Hey guys, dito kami ngayon sa Canyon Woods, Tagaytay. And explore namin yung mga amenities nila.
Hindi ako umabot dito.
Baka dahil dyan lang kayo sa may house.
Siguro.
Yan mo lang siya mapagod dyan.
Ano sa kaya to? Tingnan natin kung malamig ang tubig. Uy! Sarap!
Weh,
Ano?
mainit?
Hindi, ano lang? Socks lang. Tap water. Yung tubig ay sakto lang. Let's go dito guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayun, si Rome, si James, si Bardo, si Joyce, and si Ezra. Naglalaro na.
So what are... Hey,
What?
when you're on your video with me,
What?
when you recording me say this, what are you doing for a living?
Okay. Okay. Kaya rin lumalangay ka lang. Hey! What are you doing for a living?
I'm just gonna kill your stool. Come on.
Ezra, no splashing.
Now you're all wet.
Seryoso yan? Sali ka mamaya, laro tayo.
Okay.
Ginawa mo naman akong kinder eh.
Bakit?
Maka-oo ka lang eh. Yung Spy Spy, Werewolf online. Ha?
Okay.
Paglaro tayo sa mga...
Ano lang pinagde-decide ang importante?
Ano?
Transaction lang.
Okay naman dito guys, no? Komportable. And then, yung tubig, sakto lang. Maligam-gam. Hindi, ito si Ezra. Tanungin natin. Hey! What are you doing for a living?
What I'm doing for a living is feeling this.
That's fine.
Never.
That's fine. Don't get that wet.
Too bad for you. Look.
Ezra, I'm using. Ezra, you're using. It might get broken. It's not for water. It's not for water, Ezra. Ezra. What?
What's this? Wait. What's
It's not for water.
Bata?
Oo.
Asa tayo? Tingnan mo yung Minecraft ko. Maganda mo ito. Nasa to.
Catch the dot. Catch the dot.
Almost okay na dito.
We're gonna go upstairs. Taas ba? Ezra.
Lagi naman yung gamit.
Kasi may cover siya dati, ang pangit eh. Nag-Taiwan ako. Kita yung wire ng naka-mic kasi ako nun. Ay, mukhang, ano. Hindi pa maganda, hindi pa pulido yung pagkakagawa. Siyaw.
Papaanoan ko si Pinky. Siya mag-setter. Tagal kasi ng ano, taga-survey.
Ano pagkakaiba ng bulalo sa nilaga?
Ito yung natay may maro.
Parang yun lang. Pero kasi pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng ano, corn, ng saba.
Bulalo ito nila.
Wala to.
Ano gusto mo? Gusto mo naman yung tali?
Natin sa mga parang gusto ko ng kare-kare ni Mami.
Gusto mo magkari-kari na yun?
Sarap ng kare-kare. Maraming lutong masarap yun.
Ano peanut? Ano talaga?
Pinaka...
Peanut?
Peanut, oo, peanut. Kahit nga peanut butter yung paggamit mo eh. Solid eh. Baka walang lasa. May lasa naman.
Parang pa rin.
Medyo kalasa ng konti ng kay mama. Ganito yung actually yung lasa. Sa kare-kare ng mama. Yung kahit na wala. Sayang yung ano, yung balcony, wala man lang chairs.
Oo nga.
No, maganda kung may chairs eh.
Opo. I wish there
Hindi ka
was
nakakulit
some.
ng internet.
Dahil sa ikaw na eh. Bye.
Nakakulit
What
ng
the
internet.
hell is this
Wi-Fi.
doing here? What the hell are you doing
Ano?
here?
Pero nga to.
Yung phone.
Yan yung codes. Okay. Dahil sa ikaw na bahay.
Oo, naman sila.
What are you doing, Ezra?
He's recording a video.
Who?
Tito Matt.
Tomat? Dahil sa ikaw.
Ito si Matt.
Say hello.
Uy, ano pinakialaman mo?
Uy, sinacharge siya tayo ni ano, kita man.
Oh, where did you... Oh, dad, ano yun mo?
Ezra.
Oh my God.
He put it there. That's right.
There's an eagle.
There's an eagle nearby. There's an eagle nearby. There's an eagle nearby. There is an eagle nearby.
Nearby.
There is an eagle nearby.
Nearboy.
There is an eagle nearby.
Nearboy. Ito
There is
kayo.
an
Eagle.
nearby.
Eagle.
Eagle.
There's an eagle, smeagol nearby.
What's a smeagol?
It's
Goal.
it's I don't know what smeagol. Mabisi ito.
Good morning, guys. It's our day 2 here in Tagaytay, and we are about to go to breakfast. Joyce, James. Nasaan yung makulit na bata? Ha? And after breakfast, we will go swimming na.
Yung tabo mo ko. Sige ko.
Kasi after na, ito pala yung room namin. Ito yung room namin.
Hi, Mama. I love you.
Lamig mo.
Malamig.
Hindi. Pinatay na yun.
Yesterday when I put my feet on the floor, I was like,
Let's go, let's go.
because it's so cold.
Let's go na.
Lagay mo dito mata. Dati pala dito.
Ay, yung ano pala, stab.
Lalo sa ML.
ML.
Ay, nalagay.
Lagod ka na. Pwede kang laro na ano. Werewolf.
Gusto ko April.
Hey, pinagawa ko sa Instagram.
Talaga?
Breakfast ako.
Hindi mo ko pinapalo. Ay, nakapalo ako sa'yo.
Hindi pala, ewan ko. Gusto ka na? Oh, it's the real kid. Bago pa na. O, sarado ka elevator. Nakatakot na. You should fix your breakfast with milk. Have you tried Cocoa Crunch? You tried this? It's chocolate. It's delish. Delicioso.
What are you, a turtle?
What?
Frog. Or a cat or a dog?
Or a tweedle.
Or a
What did you say again? What's that?
Tingnan mo to. Ang laki ng iniba ng itsura. Parang ibang tao niya.
Ay!
Yung ano?
Ilong pwede pa yun?
Hindi, dahil inano eh. Kumbaga, parang marireconstruct siya. Instead na parang medyo nakaangat. Bababa kasi tataas to. Magkakaroon dito, parang mapo-forward.
Parang mukhang natural.
Oo nga eh. At saka ano yan, meron din yung mga parang ilar-ilar. Sarap.
Yung binawasan dito.
I'm full now.
Yung bagong girl ni Richard Gutierrez, kahawig din nung asawa niya dati.
Sino?
Si
Artista.
Marvin Sararat.
Oo nga.
Hawig din, no? Parang younger version.
Sila ba?
Sino eh?
Confirm?
Sila yan. Kunwari
I
lang.
already drank my milk.
Akin na lang. Lagay ko sa coffee.
Wala, hindi ko naisip na kanina.
Alin?
Milk.
Oo.
Milk. Balik ako. Wait lang. Rom, ano masasabi mo sa friendship natin with James?
It's good. Matagal na pero solid.
Solid na. Yeah. Yun lang. Wala mo ibang sasabihin? Okay. Itong 360, naglabas sila ng yung gusto ko yung isa yung Go, yung simple lang na camera. Taon-taon na sila naglalabas.
Baka yun na sila para ng iPhone.
Yan nga eh. 3S. Ngayon 3S.
Muna maglalaro. Tapos maglaro ng basket. Pag gusto mong basket, ako yung feeling.
Naka-check-in yun.
May libre ba na doon? Pangalan.
Check out na kami guys.
Alam mo, pwede
It's 12 o'clock na.
kaya taga, kaya lang yun.
Ito yung hallway ng hotel.
Overnight lang.
Ayan. My friends. What's this? What's this?
Nag-inner lang kami dun sa mga...
Ano kasi nagsasakyan kayo? Ano sa kayo kayo sa Consol?
Pero dalawa na yun, dalawa.
Ay, dalawa naman ba yun? Kagi! Goods! Kagi din sulit. Sulit yung parang medyo maligarit din. Kagi!
Is that a Pokemon?
It's like a robin.
Yeah.
It's a robin.
You must have a Pokeball. Ah. How was your day?
Because I'm a cat. That's why I like birds. Now let me scratch that
Oh, no. Oh. How was your day, Ezra? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
And us and saying I just my blah blah blah. Ooh,
Thank you, James.
thank you, Matt.
Thank you.
Ingat, man.
See you. See you soon. Pupunta tayo doon.
Saan?
Abu Dhabi.
Oh.
Kaya see you midway. Midway. Sa Singapore.
Abu Dhabi.
Sa ba stopover nyo, James, pag pupunta kayo sa Pilipinas?
Wala, direct yun.
Direct flight.
Excuse me.
Unless pag Dubai. Pag mga
Ah.
Dubai flights, may mga airlines na nag-stop po.
Mm.
Anong next, ano ba dito after ng QM?
Wala. Araneta na.
Hindi, itong Skyway. Bulacan na.
Yata. Paano na? S-Legs.
Di ba, no?
Ay, sorry, N-Legs.
N-Legs.
Oo, malayo.
Malayo
Ah,
na.
duktong na pala.
Pero medyo pricey ito ha, hindi yung aaraw-arawin mo to.
Oo.
Gusto ka dito.
Hi guys, dito kami sa Starbucks Hiraya. Pala. First time ko dito.
Parang bago lang pa to.
Tingnan mo naman, may pila, may ganyan.
Bago lang, ano?
Ano, ride sa
Oo.
Mukhang pa yung bago lang po, no?
Oh, tapos, bago lang.
Bago lang
Parang
kasi hindi
last year.
madalas ako na pupunta ng
Pero pag enjoy your limit to 2 hours, masahin mo guys. Limit your stay to 2 hours. So, sabihin mo,
Marami talaga siya.
buti na lang. Best, you know it.
I'm sure they... Pwede ko na lang may plate number yung vehicle. Or kahit po yung model na lang.
see that in the picture.
Magluluto ko po sa laban.
Yun ma'am. Diyan siguro tayo nag-community dati.
Oo, tiyak na yun.
Yung mga tao doon nagagawa doon. Kaya kong idong yun. Kita ko ka. Kita ko. Pati mo ka. Pati yung buwan ko yun. Yung buwan yung mga alien doon.
May pumpkin.
Galing mo din. Sa akin yung identity, gender, kung kailan mo matay.
Meron pa ako sa loob. Last place. Paalam na kayo sa family niyo. Sa mama. Sabi ni mama. Hey.
Wala yung masasabi, basta hindi kami lilipat na sa amin. Pero kapag kunyari sa amin, model ako ng lilipat kami sa ibang bansa. Pero kapag malapit lang, dami yung sagsari. Mamaya mapasama pa to si PJ dun eh.
Pilipinas.
Pag umalis kami sa bahay.
Paper.
Oo, paper.
Madamdamin pa naman na yung mga...
Picture tayo. Dito. Nasaan? Joyce. Picture tayo. Tingin lang tayo dyan. I-ano ko siya. Ipapan ko siya. Ha? Tingin pa. 1, 2,
Listen.
Hindi ka nagtingin.
Sa pa nga dito.
isa pa. Picture tayo. Look here. Esther.
Look here.
Saan po?
DNC.
Ezra, one more, Ezra. Look there. Ito pa, Ezra dito. Ezra, one more.
Here.
Rome. Just Rome.
Look here in the sphere.
Rome. Dito.
Tingnan na.
1, 2,